My name is Mel from LBC Events Catering Services. Alright, so are we good na? Alright, may I request the announcement po and maid of honor? Pwede pakitulungan po sa pag-remove ng envelopes po.